Recently, my wife's iPhone 14 Pro cracked yet another Belkin screen protector. It's not the first one I had to replace on her phone. Considering that Belkin protectors usually cost anywhere from $20 to $40, depending on the model and availability, replacing them is not exactly a cheap process. So I decided to look for an alternative on AliExpress, and I found this pack of 3 protectors that seem to be of the same or maybe even better quality for just $10. Pretty good deal, right? Especially since the kit includes a handy installation frame that makes applying the protector quick and easy, unlike Belkin's version. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. First, there's a small card with a link to the video installation guide. That's a nice touch. Then we have 3 cleaning kits, each with a wet wipe to remove fingerprints and dust from the screen, a microfiber cloth, and a set of stickers to pick up any tiny dust particles before applying the protector. There's also this plastic installation case with the first screen protector already attached inside. You just need to place your iPhone into the frame and it will help you apply the glass perfectly straight on the first try. Super easy. And here's the rest of the protectors. As I mentioned earlier, there are 3 in total, which should last quite a while. Let's clear the table and I'll show you the full process of applying the screen protector. Step 1. Remove the old glass and clean the screen from any dust, fingerprints or dirt. As you can see, the Belkin protector has a crack and some chips along the edges, even though the iPhone was never dropped and has always been handled with care. Now I am placing the iPhone on this soft pad so it stays flat and steady on the surface. Everything here is well thought out, really nice setup. Next, I wipe the screen clean using the microfiber cloth from the kit. Then I use the dust removal sticker to make sure the screen is perfectly clean. Now I place the installation frame with the new protector on top of the iPhone, press it down slightly and pull the top down to remove the inner film. That automatically applies the glass onto the screen. The protector slowly adheres to the display, pushing out the air bubbles by itself. For the final step, I remove the case, which also takes off the second protective film from the top. Then I gently press around the edges to make sure everything sticks nicely. And that's it. As you can see, the whole process is super simple and the quality of this screen protector is great. I can definitely recommend it as a solid alternative to those overpriced Belkin ones. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!